never know how to start this, and I will always say that until I figure out how to start this. So today I wanted to do a green look. I don't really know like what kind of look, like if it's gonna be cut crease, half cut crease, or what. So we'll figure it out as we go. That's what's on today's agenda. And let's get started. I feel like my videos are really repetitive, but I just want to do makeup. I don't know how to not make this boring. So I'm sorry. Okay, my eye has been primed and set, and I'm gonna go in back with this palette. We're gonna take the color on my lid and I'm just gonna pack it. Really not worrying about blending, just worrying about the color being there. So now that this has been packed on, I'm going to take the color right next to it called Social Blade. I'm gonna use that to blend out the dark green, and I also want like to wing it out a little bit. I just blended it out with the light green shade, and I went back in with the dark green and packed it on my lid. And then I also took the yellow shade from this palette and used that to blend out the light green. And now I'm like, this look is boring if I just leave it like this. So I think I'm just gonna do a half cut crease. I don't know. Should I do something crazy? So after having a mental breakdown and taking off all of this eyeshadow, I'm gonna redo this. And this time I'm just gonna do a basic ass half cut crease. It's really just trying to do something, but then it's just not. So I just did the same thing that I previously did, but on both eyes. And now I'm cutting my half cut crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm really friggin' pissed right now, but it's fine. This look is gonna look even better, and it's gonna come out super duper cute. Okay, so I just finished cutting my half cut crease. This is what they look like. Awesome. Now I'm gonna pack on the dark green shade on the outer part of this while the concealer is still wet. And I'm just gonna make sure that there isn't any harsh lines and that everything's all blended. So now I'm gonna take a really little precise brush. I'm gonna take the dark green shade. I'm gonna outline the half cut crease right there so that it's more defined. And now for the lid shade, I'm gonna take the same guac color, and I'm gonna wet my brush with the Max Fix Plus. and then I'm just gonna apply that to the areas that have the concealer. My boyfriend brought me Waterburg. He brought me Waterburger. I love that man. Short intermission break from this basic ass look. If you don't live in Texas, then you probably don't know what Waterburger is, unless you're on Twitter and then you see like those people like talking about Waterburger. Waterburger. This is a large, but like the regular size of this is not even that much of a difference. Waterburger is like our In-N-Out. I think, I don't know. I've never been to In-N-Out, so it's probably not a true statement. If you ever go to Texas, go to Whataburger, and also go to H-E-B. And they are back. Okay, food has been eaten, shirt has been changed, and I'm ready to finish this look. This is where we left off. This is how the eyes look. So right now I'm going to clean everything up and go ahead and do my face makeup. Okay, so the face is done, and now we're gonna finish up the eyes. So on the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take the dark green and run it really close to my lower lash line, and then use the lighter green to smoke that out. And I'm gonna connect it to this sharp edge. So now that that's done, I'm gonna give y'all a closer look, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go do my lashes and mascara and all of that. Face, and then the eyes. So this is how everything turned out with the eyes. Okay, I have finished. I did my hair. I changed back into my shirt. So thank y'all for watching. I'm sorry if this was kind of boring because this look is so simple. Hope y'all enjoyed.